Your car's smartest features could be quietly destroying its longevity. Glitchy electronics, hidden wear, and over-engineered systems are draining batteries, cooking engines, and slashing resale value, often before you hit 100,000 miles. Most drivers never see it coming until they're stuck on the side of the road with an expensive repair bill. Today I'm exposing 21 modern upgrades that are actually wrecking reliability. Stick around because this might save you thousands. Feature number 21, Start-Stop Systems. Picture this: you're rolling up to a red light, the engine cuts out completely, then the second it turns green it fires back up like it's been jump-started by a cattle prod. That's start-stop in action. On paper it's about saving fuel. In reality it's hammering your starter motor, cycling your battery to death, and starving critical engine parts of oil pressure during those constant restarts. Hundreds of these cycles every single week add up fast. Some engines rack up over 100,000 starts in just a few years. Starters wear out early, AGM batteries die prematurely, and on cold mornings the whole thing can hesitate or refuse to wake up. I've seen Hondas stall in traffic and Fords that just sit there silent. The real fuel savings, maybe $60.90 a year if you're lucky. One dead battery wipes that out instantly. This technology wasn't built primarily for you. It was built so manufacturers could hit strict emissions targets. Want to protect your engine and your peace of mind? Disable it manually or install a reliable bypass module. Because if this system doesn't leave you stranded, the next one might roll your car into oncoming traffic while you're still trying to figure out how to put it in gear. Feature number 20, Electronic Gear Shifters. Traditional shifters were simple. You moved a lever and you knew exactly what gear you were in. Now we have buttons, joysticks, and rotary dials that feel more like a video game controller than a transmission selector. The confusion is real, especially when parking or merging in a hurry. Fiat Chrysler issued massive recalls on hundreds of thousands of vehicles after their electronic shifters caused unintended rollaways, injuries, and worse. Drivers thought the car was in park, but it wasn't. No mechanical connection, just sensors and software. Spill a drink, lose battery power, or blow a fuse and suddenly you're stuck. That convenient armrest where you used to rest your hand, gone, replaced by a flat panel and a prayer. Designers call it modern and clean, mechanics call it a nightmare, drivers call a tow truck. And speaking of being stranded, let's talk about tires that promise to keep you rolling but often leave you worse off than a regular flat. Feature number 19, Run Flat Tires. Run flats were marketed as freedom from changing tires on the roadside. The reality is far less glamorous. They ride harsher, cost significantly more, wear out faster, and are much harder or sometimes impossible to repair once damaged. Hit a pothole or a nail near the sidewall and that tire is usually done. Most cars equipped with run flats don't even come with a proper spare, just a tiny compressor and sealant if you're lucky. BMW, Mini, and Mercedes push them hard, but tire shops know the truth. They're heavier, harder to balance, and replacements can easily top $1,200 for a full set. You trade comfort and options for the illusion of convenience. Sometimes you still end up on the shoulder at night waiting for a tow. Proof that convenient on paper doesn't always mean better in real life. Feature number 18, Electronic Parking Brakes. Remember the good old handbrake lever you could feel engage? Solid, reliable, and always ready. Now it's a button or switch that relies on motors inside the rear calipers talking to the car's computer. When those motors or the electronics fail thanks to corrosion, low battery, or a software glitch, you're not moving. Winter salt and road grime make it worse. Unlike cable systems, you can't manually release it easily. Owners have faced $1,000 500 repair bills just to get their car out of a parking spot. What was supposed to be a simple safety feature became another fragile electronic system. Sometimes less technology gives you more real control. Feature number 17, Cylinder Deactivation. On paper, shutting down cylinders on the highway to save fuel sounds brilliant. In practice, systems like GM's AFM and Chrysler's MDS create uneven wear, failing lifters, collapsed valves, and misfires that can destroy an engine. Trucks and SUVs with under 60,000 miles are coming into shops with lifters chewed up like they've done 200,000 hard miles. The constant switching stresses components that were never designed for that kind of abuse. Oil consumption skyrockets, and one failure can lead to a $4,000+ engine rebuild. The actual fuel savings are minimal for most drivers. If your engine has this feature, listen closely for any ticking or hesitation. That sound might be your wallet slowly emptying. Feature number 16, Touchscreen-only climate controls. You're driving down the highway at 70 mph and you want to adjust the temperature or turn on the defroster. Good luck diving through menus on a touchscreen instead of grabbing a physical knob. One wrong tap and you're blasting hot air or losing visibility in fog. When the screen glitches, freezes, or cracks, you lose AC, heat, and defrost all at once. Older physical controls worked with gloves in the dark and at speed. These systems look premium in ads but create dangerous distractions in real driving. Some manufacturers are already moving back to buttons and dials for good reason. Convenience should never compromise safety. Feature number 15, dual clutch transmissions. Dual clutch transmissions deliver lightning-fast shifts on the track, but in daily driving they often jerk at low speeds, hesitate in traffic, and overheat during stop-and-go situations. Ford's power shift in the Focus and Fiesta became legendary for problems. Hyundai, Kia, and even VW DSG units have their share of complaints about shuddering, slipping, and expensive failures. Repairs frequently run $2,000 because you're dealing with complex mechatronics and clutches. For most commuters, a traditional automatic or even a well-built manual is far more reliable in the long run. Feature number 14, direct injection engines. Direct injection delivers great power and efficiency by spraying fuel straight into the combustion chamber. The downside? No fuel washing over the intake valves means carbon buildup happens fast and thick. You end up with rough idle, power loss, and misfires. The fix is walnut blasting the valves, labor-intensive work that costs $400-900. BMW, Audi, VW, and others are hit hardest. Toyota's Port Plus Direct setup is smarter. If your engine starts coughing or running rough, it might be screaming for help. If you're picking up valuable tips here, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the rest. Feature number 13, panoramic sunroofs/glass roofs. They look stunning at the dealership, flooding the cabin with light and giving that luxury feel. But over time, they leak, rattle, crack, and create massive repair headaches. Replacing a panoramic roof can easily run $500-3,000. They trap heat like a greenhouse, make the AC work overtime, add weight up high, and hurt handling. In a serious accident, they can become dangerous. A solid steel roof is often the true luxury. Feature number 12, keyless entry systems. Keyless entry sounds convenient until your battery drains because the car is constantly listening for the fob. Thieves use relay attacks to unlock and drive away without ever touching your keys. Failed door sensors, glitchy modules, and $400-600 replacement fobs are common. What was sold as premium security often creates new vulnerabilities and headaches. Feature number 11, plastic engine parts. Plastic coolant tanks, intake manifolds, thermostat housings, and oil pans save manufacturers money and weight, but they crack, warp, and fail under heat and age. BMW expansion tanks exploding, Ford manifolds cracking in class actions, GM V6s hydrolocking, these stories are too common. Labor costs make even cheap plastic parts outrageously expensive to replace. Metal parts in critical areas used to be the standard for a reason. Feature number 10, air suspension systems. Nothing beats the initial ride quality until a bag leaks and the compressor runs itself to death. One failure leads to sagging, warning lights, and repair bills over $1,000 per corner. Many owners eventually convert to traditional coils just to make the car reliable again. Luxury comfort shouldn't come with constant worry. Feature number 9, electric water pumps. No belt, better efficiency and cooling after shutdown until the electronics or plastic impeller fails without warning. BMWs are famous for this, but others use them too. Sudden overheating can destroy an engine in minutes. Replacement costs $1,500-2,200. When it fails, you often don't get temperature warning lights in time. Feature number 8, rain sensing wipers. Sensors that are supposed to read the rain but often wipe dry glass aggressively or stay completely off during heavy downpours. Dirt, bugs, or glare throw them off easily. Instead of helping, they become another distraction when you need clear visibility most. Manual control was simpler and more trustworthy. Feature number 7, driver assist systems. Lane keep assist jerking the wheel, adaptive cruise braking for ghosts, automatic emergency braking triggered by shadows. These systems can create new hazards. Studies show they fail more often than advertised, and repairs for cameras, radars, and modules are extremely expensive. Many drivers eventually turn them off out of frustration. If you've made it this far, you're already ahead of most car owners. Drop a comment with which feature surprised you most. Feature number 6, low-tension piston rings. Thinner rings reduce internal friction for better EPA numbers, but they seal poorly and let oil slip into the combustion chamber. Owners report burning oil by 50-60-000 miles, leading to expensive rebuilds. What looks good on paper becomes a maintenance nightmare on the road. Feature number 5, capless fuel fillers. No more gas cap sounds clean until the flap gets dirty, the seal fails, or you run out of gas and can't easily refuel with a regular can. Check engine lights for EVAP issues, and $300 500 repairs replace what used to be a $10 fix. Feature number 4, ambient lighting systems. Pretty colors at night might feel luxurious, but they create glare, distract your eyes from the road, and add another layer of electronics that eventually fails. When the LEDs or modules go bad, repairs involve tearing into interior panels and spending hundreds. Feature number 3, variable charging systems. Smart charging that only works the alternator when needed sounds efficient, but it often leads to undercharged batteries, weak electrical systems, and early failures, especially on short trips or in cold weather. Feature number 2, over-the-air system updates. Convenient until an update bricks your infotainment, disables features you paid for, or puts the car into limp mode. You can't always roll it back, and you're stuck beta testing safety-critical software. Feature number 1, steering wheel controls. More buttons, touchpads, and toggles than ever mean more distractions and more things that can break. When the clock spring fails, you can lose your horn, airbag, and controls all at once. Repairs aren't cheap. If this video helped you spot problems before they cost you thousands, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Next up, 17 proven habits that can help your car last over 500,000 miles with far fewer repairs. Your wallet will thank you. See you in the next one. Drive safe.